Hey everyone. Yeah, it's a sad day. American Airlines flight 5342 collided with an Army helicopter. Well, vice versa. The helicopter collided with the aircraft. And I have a little bit of footage that I'd like to present and maybe try to explain how this could have taken place. So anyway, I'm gonna let me run this stuff that I put together. Let me just run this. It's coming up. Ooh, bang. Wow. How? I just can't understand how this could happen. It's totally uncalled for. Here's some ATC.
Did you see that? Go around, climb, maintain 3,000. Blackjack 3, can you return to base? Blackjack 3, proceed directly to Glebe. I need you to land. I need you to land immediately. Can you go to Dallas for a few minutes? Can you go to Baltimore?
I don't know. I don't know who Blackjack 3 is. I don't know if they were trying to communicate with the helicopter or not, and I really don't know. So a lot of stuff still up in the air, so we have to wait for the investigation to come out. But as you can see, on the top end is the flight path of the helicopter, and on the bottom side is the flight path of the airliner. It's a CRJ 700. And how they both got on that track, I don't know. Now, my understanding is, I mean, I used to fly. I have a private pilot's license, and I can't understand why there's a military aircraft in civilian airspace, especially at the approach end of a runway, that close to the approach end. I don't understand why they're there, but you know, is what it is. I think there was some sort of a screw up in there. I really don't get it. And here's a statement from the United States Army that says, while performing a training mission on a United States Army UH-60 Black Hawk helicopter from Bravo Company, 12th Aviation Battalion, Davison Army Airfield, Fort Belvoir, Virginia, collided midair. We know that. That's not really a statement, and it continues. An American Airlines Bombardier CRJ-7 regional jet flight 5342 last night at Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport, the FAA, NTSB, and the United States Army. That doesn't make sense to me. That's a statement from the United States Army. Here's some recovery footage. Recovery in progress there. Unbelievable. This is not supposed to happen anywhere on the planet. It's not supposed to happen. It just doesn't happen anywhere. I don't understand. Now here's a better flight path map. See, the Army helicopter was coming from the top side, and American Airlines was coming from the bottom side, coming up, and they touched right in the middle of the Potomac River. They were basically at the same altitude. I don't understand how that could happen. Why didn't the helicopter see them? They were going right into it. Why didn't they see them? They got flashing lights and landing lights on, and I don't see how you could miss it. I really can't figure out And, well, it's not my job to figure it out. That's the NTSB that has to figure that out. But I just can't figure why they didn't see that aircraft. I can't figure it out. And I'm not a smart man, but there should be some common sense going on there. You see it, get out of the way. I don't know. That's the runway they were supposed to land on, runway 33. But they were at the approach end. The helicopter was at the approach end of a major runway. You know, I just don't understand how something like this could actually happen. It's uncalled for. There's something wrong. Wow. Anyway, I'm rather devastated. I don't like to see plane crashes, especially when they're uncalled for. They're avoidable. That could have been avoided. That was not supposed to happen. Something went wrong there. So somebody, and retrieving the black boxes from the aircraft, I really don't think that's going to tell them a lot, because the helicopter hit them broadside, so to speak. I don't think the American Airlines aircraft, I don't think they even saw it coming. So they were on their final approach. They were just maybe a mile or two out from the runway, if that. And I don't know. The FAA and the NTSB can figure that out. I hope they find a solution to it. Something's wrong, because my understanding is the helicopter doesn't have a black box, and I'm sure that's for security reasons. But they're not going to get any information from the helicopter. All they can do is just listen to recordings and check out the black boxes when they recover them from the aircraft. And so far, my understanding is they've recovered 30 bodies. So sad. Rest in peace. Pray for them. My heart goes out to them. And yeah, just pray for them. I'll see you.